the traffic cop could find me here, this could be a heavy fine for me, because not a person in his right mind could walk here, guys. Nowadays it's only for cars, but there was no ways I could have done it other than that. Otherwise I should have maybe gone all the way there, not even knowing exactly where I am, because I was in this road here. I was actually walking on that road. It's walking on that next road, and there is this Jura over there. You can't jump in, and if they see you jumping it as well, it's a heavy fine. But actually I think it's a good thing, because you know, they're trying to save lives for people. Can you see that? Not even a way of walking properly. I'm actually against the cars that is coming towards me. Yeah. So if you remember this walk, guys, I took this walk all the way from Park Station, Gautrain, right at the other side of the Park Station. That's the other side of this rail, that railway white line. You can see those old train heads and locks and all that stuff. So we started walking from there, and now we are here. And my only main point, and what I want actually is to show you the bridge, the Mandela Bridge, because there are people actually maybe who are here on this channel, or maybe we are going to be here on this channel, if everyone in this channel already knows Mandela Bridge. But whether you already know it, you know, it's just a nice thing watching it again, you know. So Mandela Bridge, here's Mandela Bridge, guys. Okay, we are approaching it now, but it looks like this from this point where I am right now. We need to cross before cars comes from this side. It's a really risky walking here, going this side. So I was actually down there. I only have made it up here if I would have actually used the road that is down there. So I did right jumping over to this area. Right. This is Johannesburg for you guys. Can you see it? Johannesburg City, the seat of God. The city that I'm proud of. Say this is our city. I want to jump to the other side. I want to jump to the other side. I think it's easier to walk that side than this side. Right. And I also want to show you something there, that other side. So let's cross over after this car. Let's cross over. Here we are, Mandela Bridge. This is Mandela Bridge. Amazing sight, especially if you come here at night, guys. This really, the lights, it really looks nice. The old trucks, old trains parked here. Look over that side here, old trucks and all that stuff. There, it's Newtown. And this Mandela Bridge for you guys. Just enjoy the sight of the city from here as I walk you through it. So I'm where I really wanted to be. I wanted to be here so that I could show you this beauty. This railway line. Look at these trucks, the old trucks. Just standing like this. Amazing. So yeah guys, if you haven't seen the other video that I've done, the how train video, you must just go check on my channel. If I've already posted it, you'll see it. As I'm doing this video, I haven't posted it yet, but I'll be posting anytime soon. So you must just go check it. It depends with when you have seen this video. Must go check it out. There is Junction Mall in Newtown. Abatanda naye. Oh yeah. Mandela Bridge for you guys. Please subscribe to your boy. I beg of you. Share the video to any of your social medias. Also like. Never mind me. I'm talking rubbish. But I just like the view from here, guys. And here's the security. Just like the view from here. You know, this is another view. Amazing view. Look at that. And Mandela Bridge from this side. Let's walk down. So as you walk down there is pre-tax rank. This is Newtown. Those who stay in Newtown, you know this place very well. Now that place there with the green green iron sheets, that place there, so many functions does happen. The musicians, they come here, they'll just hire this place and it fills up. It really does fill up, and mostly on weekends and holidays and all that, they come here, have fun. South African celebrities, this is their place. Newtown actually is a place for celebrities, TV celebrities, who are doing different things. Yeah, actually TV likes Newtown. If you want to see the celebrities on television, you just come to Newtown. There's Junction Mall there. There's a theater market there, what they call theater market. You'll meet a lot of celebrities there. The guys from what do you call these soppies? the generations and Scandal, you name all those soapies, you know, on TV, you will be able to see them. Look. Right, this was Mandela Bridge for you guys. I'm proud that I did it. Look at how it looks like from this side. Looks really good inside. I'm proud that I came here to do it for you. Alright, so now this was this video, and guys, thumbs up, subscribe, like the video please, and I'm sure I'll be seeing you in the next one. So subscribe. Bye.